Compact keyboards, space-saving options for small desks. Title: Compact keyboards, space-saving options for small desks. Introduction. With the rise of remote work and the increasing popularity of small living spaces, many individuals find themselves struggling to create functional and efficient workspaces. Limited desk space can equally become a hindrance to productivity. One solution to this problem is the use of compact keyboards. These keyboards offer a space-saving alternative without compromising functionality or comfort. In this article, we will explore the benefits of compact keyboards and highlight some great options available in the market. Benefits of compact keyboards. 1. Space efficiency. One of the most obvious advantages of compact keyboards is their ability to save valuable desk space. Designed with a smaller form factor, these keyboards take up less room on your desk, allowing you to utilize limited space more effectively. Whether you have a small desk at home or a compact workstation in an office, a compact keyboard can make a significant difference in maximizing your works. ACE. 2. Enhanced mobility. Another advantage of compact keyboards is their portability. If your job requires frequent travel or if you often work from different locations, a compact keyboard can be a game changer. Most compact keyboards are lightweight and come with a wireless option, making it easy to pack and carry with you wherever you go. This mobility allows you to maintain a consistent typing experience, even when or away from your usual workspace. 3. Ergonomic design. Contrary to popular belief, compact keyboards can provide excellent ergonomic support. Many manufacturers have developed compact keyboards with comfortable key layouts and adjustable stands. These features help maintain proper hand and wrist alignment, reducing the risk of strain and discomfort associated with extended typing sessions. By opting for a compact keyboard with ergonomic design, you can prioritize your comfort and long-term health without sacrificing space. Compact keyboard options. 1. 10-keyless keyboards. 10-keyless keyboards, often abbreviated as TKL, are compact keyboards that exclude the numerical keypad. By eliminating this portion of the keyboard, manufacturers can reduce the overall size without compromising the main typing area. 10-keyless keyboards are a popular choice among gamers and professionals seeking a more compact and streamlined setup. Notable options in this category include the Ducky 12 TKL, the Keychron K8, and the Logitech G Pro X. 2. 60% keyboards. For those looking for the ultimate space-saving solution, 60% keyboards are an excellent choice. These keyboards eliminate not only the numerical keypad but also the function row and navigation cluster, resulting in a minimalistic layout. While it may take some getting used to, many users find the compact size liberating and more efficient. Some notable 60% keyboards include the N Pro 2, the Ducky Mini, and the Varmilo Va 68M. 3. Split keyboards. Split keyboards offer a unique solution for those seeking both space-saving benefits and ergonomic support. These keyboards divide the keyboard into separate halves, typically connected by a cable or wireless connection. The split design allows users to position each half independently, facilitating a more natural hand and wrist alignment, reducing strain and promoting a healthier typing experience. Notable split keyboards include the Ergodox Easy, the Kinesis Freestyle Pro, and the Mistel Barocco ND600. 4. Wireless compact keyboards. Another popular option in the world of compact keyboards is wireless keyboards. These keyboards offer the convenience of no wires or cables cluttering up your workspace. With wireless connectivity, you can enjoy the freedom of working without being tied down to your desk. Wireless compact keyboards are perfect for those who value a clean and organized workspace or for individuals who prefer to work from different areas of their living space. Notable options in this category include the Logitech MX keys, the Keychron K2, and the An Pro 2. 5. Portable folding keyboards. If you truly need a keyboard that can fit into the smallest of spaces, portable folding keyboards are a fantastic choice. These keyboards are designed to fold in half or even smaller, making them incorporated. Relatively compact and easy to carry. They are ideal for frequent travelers or individuals always on the go. Portable folding keyboards can easily fit into a backpack or even a pocket, allowing you to work comfortably and efficiently wherever you are. Notable options in this category include the iClever BK03, the Jellycomb folding keyboard, and the Moco Universal folding keyboard. 6. Gaming compact keyboards. For gaming enthusiasts with limited desk space, compact keyboards specifically designed for gaming are available. These keyboards offer a compact form factor without compromising the functionality and features required for an immersive gaming experience. Gaming compact keyboards often come with customizable RGB lighting, programmable macro keys, and mechanical switches for a satisfying typing in gaming experience. Notable options in this category include the Corsair K65 RGB Mini, the Razer Huntsman Mini, and the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. 7. Retro compact keyboards. If you're looking to add a touch of nostalgia to your workspace, retro compact keyboards are an excellent choice. These keyboards combine modern functionality with a classic design inspired by vintage typewriters. With their unique keycaps and retro aesthetics, they can add a stylish and nostalgic element to your setup. Retro compact keyboards typically come with mechanical switches for a satisfying typing experience. Notable options in this category include the Keychron K2 wireless mechanical keyboard, the Velocifier VM02WS wireless mechanical keyboard, and the Azio Retro Classic Mechanica L keyboard. 8. Mechanical compact keyboards. For users who appreciate the tactile response and durability of mechanical keyboards, there is a wide range of compact options available. Mechanical compact keyboards offer the same satisfying keyfay and responsiveness as their full-size counterparts but in a smaller form factor. These keyboards often feature various switch options, allowing users to choose the type of switch that best suits their typing preferences. Notable mechanical compact keyboards include the Keychron K6, the Ducky 1-2 Mini, and the An Pro 2. 9. Backlit compact keyboards. If you frequently work in low light or dark environments, a backlit compact keyboard can be incredibly useful. These keyboards come with illuminated keys that allow for easy visibility, even in dimly lit conditions. Backlit compact keyboards often offer customizable lighting effects and brightness levels, enabling users to create their desired ambience. Notable backlit compact keyboards include the Keychron K4 wireless mechanical keyboard, the RK61 mechanical gaming keyboard, and the HyperX Alloy Origins Core. 10. Mac-compatible compact keyboards. For Mac users looking for a compact keyboard that seamlessly integrates with their Apple devices, there are several options available. Mac-compatible compact keyboards feature Mac-specific key layout and shortcuts, ensuring optimal compatibility and functionality. These keyboards often have sleek and minimalist designs that complement the aesthetics of Mac computers. Notable Mac-compatible